Welcome back to my channel, Ashton Drake Love. I know baby Cassie. I'm here with baby Cassie. Happy Monday, everybody. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Yeah, we're just having a little fresh air outside, letting her play in the walker. I know. Oh, look, a bandit as well. Yeah, we're just having a little fresh air time outside. Yeah, but it has been a while since she ate last, so I'm gonna make her a bottle. Yes, Mommy is. Mommy doesn't want you to start in. No, she don't. Too cute. Okay. Yeah, when Cassie, I'm letting her have a little, fresh air, having playtime in the walker. Yeah, she's sitting. I'm looking. Baby talking away out there and having playtime, basically. It has been a while since she ate last, so let's make her a bottle. Get her, don't want her to cry. It's actually starting to get dark inside the house. Yeah, the sun's slowly going to tomorrow. They only give her 3 ounces. Yeah, I may feed her outside as well. So, nice evening. And I'm letting the dogs, as you see, out there as well. But, no, let's go feed baby Cassie from here. Baby Cassie! Hey! Easy low. Baby Cassie! Hi! Baby Cassie, look! Mommy got your papa! Yeah! Are you hungry? You just baby talking away. Come on, let's go eat, okay? Oh, I know! Of course! Where I got her! She's just talking away and yes, loving the walker. Yes. Are you ready to go to your papa? Huh? Really? What are you doing now? She said she's having a fun time outside. Okay, well let's go feed her for that client does come. Yes, baby Cassie. I know, baby Cassie. Okay. Yeah, I figured I'll feed her outside and get some, more fresh air. Okay. I did grab, I think, a book and a bib. Gonna wear a little frog bib. Yeah, it's been so warm, hot today. Once you notice, yeah, Cassie's in a sunsuit. Okay, well, got her bib on. Yeah, it's been warm all day. It's been warm. So, have, sunsuits. I'm in shorts as well. I got the cap off. And here's baby Cassie and Papa. Here we go. You are hungry, huh? She's just being so good in the walker. Yeah, we're slowly, let's see. Yeah, losing our son. And it's so warm. It's sad, I know. Again, it's undershirt or onesie for just the bed for bed. It's sad. No winter jammies tonight, no. We're getting at that point where, yeah, it's just too warm and hot. You're the second away, Icy Bubbles, little girl. Yeah, she's a hungry little girl. She's a second away. Yeah, she's almost done. Gonna give her a part. Come on, baby Kassie. Yeah, we don't need no tummy ache. Isn't her outfit cute? It's Minnie Mouse. Oh, you stopped sucking. Oh, she was full. So she left. You know the full when they do leave a little bit. But let's put the cap back on. Don't want to lose it or Fanny get hold to it or, you know, something like that. Like your little facey. Okay, let's get a burp out of her. Okay. Oh, good girl. That was a good one. You got another one for mommy? And that was quick as well. But no, I always double check just in case there's any more air in the tummy. Get all the air out. Yeah, we don't need no tummy. Some baby Kassie. No, I'm not getting another one. Oh, ooey, ooey, ooey. Big spit up. That's exactly why I started getting late. See, this is Hamper now. She would have got, see? She would have got mommy. Okay, let's take off her bib. She ruined the bib. That was a big spit up. That was a big spit up you did. Yeah, she's definitely full. Yeah. Okay, well, I think we're gonna go inside from here and yeah, change the diaper. I guess go ahead and get her ready for, you know, for bed. Yeah, the sun is completely gone. It is. But yeah, let's go inside, yeah, and get us just ready for bed from here. I gotta put that in the hamper, bottom of the sink, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on some lights. As you see when I was making the bottle, it was probably, you know, on the dark side of the house. Because we, you know, the sun was going down, but it's totally gone now. Let's go inside from here. We got this. Okay, well, it's been about 10-15 minutes later. What? Yeah, I know. Can I tell? I know, baby Kassie. No, yeah, I put, you know, her bib she had on and the spit up thing, the burp hamper. Put her bottle in the sink. I did turn off the lights. Much better. Let me know. And I got her, you know, clean diaper, wipes. This is the sad part. Just a onesie. It's just so warm. You have to see before I, you know, lay her down. She's in her sunsuit. I think we're losing our cold. What do you think? But let's lay her down and check that diaper. Let's make it so you can see her. There she is. Did Kassie get mommy a surprise? Huh? Let's take off the headband that goes with this outfit. Yeah, cute outfit, huh? So adorable. Yeah, my mom got it for the babies. She's so sweet. I just love it from my heart. She means so much to me. Yeah, she did so much for me and the babies. Oh, baby Kassie. What? Oh, and I also grabbed the walker and brought it in. Got her blanket so that we, yeah, but let's check the diaper. I know. Did you get mommy a surprise? I know. No surprise. It's just wet. Yeah, it's just wet. Yeah, baby Kassie. Let's change her diaper. Okay. Yeah, she's got a clean diaper on now. I just have to fasten it. There we go. Okay, just a onesie. Yeah, even though some booties or socks. It's just been too warm today. I believe we were in the 80s today. Not good. For it to be spring, not good. Like my mom always says, we only have 2 weeks of spring and the rest of summer. And she's always right. Same when it gets to, when's the cold coming? She's always right about the cold. Halloween. I know! Grandmama's always right, huh? Is that sad or what? Just a plain onesie. That's what I figured, after she ate, might as well, yeah. I wouldn't say might as well, but when I was at it, get changing her diaper to get her ready for bed. But, and I usually, keep a bib on until they go to sleep. Now, if she spits up, I could go, get a clean bib until she goes to sleep. Mommy might have to go do that, huh? Yes. I don't want you to spit up and ruin your clean onesie. No. Such a good girl. Okay, well, it's been about 15-20 minutes. Her dirty clothes went to the hamper, her dirty diaper went to the garbage, and I did go ahead and get a clean bib. She already has it on. You can probably see it. But my plan is though, and then I did dim some of the lights. Kind of make it, not so bright. I'm gonna try to get it to go to, again, I can't say for the night, because they do wake up for feedings. So I got her pacifier. Yeah. Huh, baby Kassie. And the fan, I have the fan right here. It feels so good. You can probably see it. Yeah, there it is, right there. It feels so good. Yeah, it's just so warm. Here's your pacifier, baby Kassie. You don't want it? You don't want your pacifier? Well, I have it. She wants it. But no, my plan is, she should take a nap. Again, I can't say for the night. Let's see, what time is it? It's 7:57. So 8 o'clock, you might as well say. So yeah, 8, 9, 10, 11. Between 10 and 11, she probably want another bottle. So yeah, get her to take a 2-3 hour, because she wants, a bottle again. But here you go. Here you go. Yeah, it's sad. She's going to bed in a onesie. So hot. She loved it though. Outside, she loved taking the walker out, and I let her, play, have a little playtime, and get fresh air at the same time. I think, they like that. Don't get me wrong, I love the play mat, and just put a blanket down and let them put toys down there on the floor. They like that, but I figured getting the walker and letting them, sit there and, play with the toys, that was something different. So, and they can't quite, the babies, they can't quite, move it yet. So, I don't have to worry about, putting a baby in it and, where, where Kassie go? They can't quite, get it going. So, I'm using it as like a, a plain sit kind of thingy instead of, laying down. Yeah, I got Bandit and Breezy. They both got them in. Yeah, they were out there as well, playing and getting fresh air themselves. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. Yeah, it's 30 minutes later. But she's out. Yeah, she'll wake up, I'm guessing 2-3 hours later. I can never say for the night because they wake up for feedings. I think I'm, I know I need to lay her down in the bassinet. But I think I'm just enjoying this moment. They're on this little ones. Yeah, plus with the fan, hitting me. And I'm sure it feels good with baby Kassie as well. Again, it's just too warm today. Yeah, but she did end up falling asleep. She did. We had a long, warm, hot day. Let's see what it is tomorrow, really quick. Just, with this, joining this moment with baby Kassie. Let me see what's tomorrow. Oh, that's not good. It's gonna be another hot one. 86. Gonna be another hot one, and right now, as we speak, right now, it's 70 still outside. No wonder why it's so warm. $70 still? Are you serious? But no, I guess I'll let you guys go from here. I'm gonna lay her down and just kind of relax myself and watch a little TV. It's just hot, warm. Oh, but before I forgot to show you guys. I always show you guys. You know how I don't like with the baby to sleep with bibs, nap time and bedtime. When I was sinking it, when she started dusting off, I did take it off. Yeah, I don't allow them to sleep with bibs. But no, I guess I'll let you guys go from here though. Yeah, no, like this video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video once it's uploaded. If you want to show any of the videos, I don't mind. But yeah, guess I'll go from here. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, we see you next time. Bye.